Hey there, are you frustrated because YouTube videos won't connect on your TV? You're not alone, we've all been there. In today's guide, I'll dive into how to fix YouTube video problems onto your TV, specifically when you cannot connect and get back, and so that you can get back into enjoying your favorite content in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's ensure that your internet connection is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can be the culprit behind YouTube connectivity issues. Verify Wi-Fi strength. Head over to your TV's network settings to check if it's connected to your Wi-Fi. If the connection is weak, try moving your router closer to a TV or using a Wi-Fi extender. Restart your router. Sometimes all it takes is a simple reset. Unplug your router, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Once your network is up, check if the connectivity issue persists. Step 2. Update your YouTube app. An outdated YouTube app can also be causing problems. Navigate to the app settings, go to your app store on your TV, and locate YouTube. Update the app. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Over time, cache data can cause streaming issues. Clearing this data might solve the problem. Access app settings. Find YouTube in the list of installed apps. Clear cache and data. Choose the option to clear cache first, check the connection, and if the problem persists, proceed to clear data. Note that this might log you out of the app. Step 4. Sync your device. Make sure your TV and the device you're casting from, such as a phone, tablet, are on the same network. Verify network settings. Double-check both devices to confirm they are linked to the same Wi-Fi network. Reconnect devices. Sometimes devices lose sync, especially after network changes. Disconnect and reconnect them to refresh the connection. Step 5. Reboot your TV. A simple restart can often resolve unforeseen app issues. Power cycle your TV. Turn off your TV, unplug it from your power source, and wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Turn your TV back on and see if YouTube connects successfully. Step 6. Check YouTube server status. On rare occasions, YouTube servers might be down. Visit status websites. Websites like Down Detector can tell you if there's a known issue with YouTube. If there is, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved by YouTube themselves. Step 7. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails and you're still experiencing connection issues, a factory reset might be your latest option. Back up your TV settings. Factory reset will erase all custom settings and preferences. Proceed with factory reset. Consult your TV's user manual for the procedure. After resetting, you'll need to reinstall the YouTube app. And there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix YouTube video problems on TV when you cannot connect, you should be able to get back to streaming your favorite content seamlessly in no time.